Are you experiencing leaks or other issues with your roof? It may be time for a roof replacement in Superior, Colorado, from Denny's Roofing, LLC. Our team of experts will thoroughly inspect your roof to determine the best solution for your specific needs. We understand that each home is unique, and we'll work with you to find the perfect roofing option. From asphalt shingles to metal roofs, we have a wide range of materials and colors to choose from. Our team will help you select the perfect roofing system to match your home's style and budget. At Denny's Roofing, LLC, we pride ourselves on our attention to detail and quality workmanship. We use only the highest quality materials to ensure your new roof is durable and long-lasting. Customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we'll communicate with you every step of the way. Our goal is to make the roof replacement process as stress-free as possible. A new roof not only improves the safety and functionality of your home but also adds curb appeal and value. When it comes to roof replacement in Superior, Colorado, trust the experts at Denny's Roofing, LLC. Contact us today at 970-808-0247 or visit our website at www.dennysroofingllc.com/superior-roofing-company to schedule your free estimate. Let us help you protect your home and family with a new roof from Denny's Roofing, LLC.